Did you know that over 800,000 nurses are projected and intending to leave the workforce by 2027? That over 55% of US physicians don't feel in a good space with their mental health, struggling, and know at least one other peer that's gonna exit or has already exited the profession as well too? We're in a health care turnover crisis where the current system isn't working and hasn't been working because these are just symptoms of dysfunction and sustainability in the system. The turnover cost for a nurse can range from anywhere from $28,000 all the way up to $90,000. And the turnover rate for a busy hospital for physicians can range anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million. What we're doing isn't working. How we're being isn't working. Something needs to shift and something needs to change. Providing for the Providers is a workshop experience that is a full-day immersive event where we go in and examine the physical, mental, emotional, toxin, and spiritual stressors to an individual in a forum setting, as when individuals, from what I've found, can share their life experience very organically, no masks, no armor. They can shed and they can get out of that which they're holding in. And this is one of the most powerful experiences, as I found, because people that you wouldn't think have these common traits or these common patterns find that there's community. And in the finding that there's community or there's a shared experience, this leads to an opening, this leads to a release, this leads to a shift, and this leads to an adaptation.
This experience has been amazing. The energy in the room, the community that he has built here is phenomenal. And I think that everybody needs to experience this. If not once, 1,000 times.
So Jamal has a lot of good qualities as a speaker. So I would probably say the number one quality is his energy. He's dynamic, he's funny, and he's just very relatable. And so I think that if you are looking for a speaker that has those qualities, you'll find him right for the job.
What's that default reality look like? If you're burnt out, if you're exhausted, if you're tired, who is that going to impact? Hell yeah, it's gonna impact you. And more. Is it gonna impact your kids, your coworkers, your partners, your future partners? That's what's all sensitive and what you gotta be able to be aware of, because it's not just you that it's impacting. I say once more, you're the sun. And if the sun were to go out, all of us gonna die. And if your energy continues to be in a low state, in an exhausted state, in an unmet need state, what's the cost of that? Our providers need support. Our providers need a champion. Our providers need to be provided for. There are so many providers who are anxious, depressed, burnt out, and distraught. And I come from a space from providers where whether you're a parent, whether you're a healthcare professional, whether you're a leader, there's someone that's waiting for you at home, someone that loves you, someone that you love and that you're doing this for. I want you to be able to enjoy that because it matters and you deserve it to live the life that you've intended and you've created for yourself. And that comes with being able to be present. That comes with being able to give care to yourself so that you can show up fully and in integrity, not from a place of depletion. So now it's time to shift our lives. Now it's time to provide for yourself.